How to add mega menu in Wix Studio. So in order to add a mega menu on your Wix Studio, what you can do is you can click onto this plus icon or add elements section we can see right here. Just head over to your menu and anchor, then choose in here what kind of menu you want. For example, for this case, let's choose horizontal menu. And then I'll just choose in here whatever. For example, I'll just drag this and then drop it right around here. So once it's been attached right here, it will show up into our actual case. So what we can do is we can click onto this particular manage menu button. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open this. So you just scroll down and click onto this add menu item. And then from in there, we can see this menu items option. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then add in here a dynamic page. So on some cases, Mega Menu is also available onto this case. Now, if you can't see the Mega Menu option right here, don't worry. Just head over and then click on the settings icon that we can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it should be able to open the settings of your menu. So you just need to set your menu as an advanced menu. Click onto the Set as Advanced. Then click onto the Set as Advanced button again. And then you should be able to see in here this menu option. Click onto this add menu item and we can now see in here the mega menu option. Click on that and then we can see in here this. So you can just input right here the actual name for that and then input right here some containers that will actually input or show up some things like your layouts and the likes. You can edit it on your mega menu mode and then tailor it to your liking. So that's how you add mega menu in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.